This is where we're calling for a shift of the new earth, starting to work together, build our communities of like-minded beings who thrive together. We want to live in harmony and unity with the earth. I see it coming, but we have to initiate the change. It has to come from within us. There's no magical beings coming down to do it for us. We're the ground crew. We've got to do the work. As much as it would be fun to sit in the office and dictate and tell everybody else what to come do for us, I wish it worked that way, but no, it doesn't. All right, let's do another life clearing. Let's connect in with Turi. Permission, yes. There's lots of the same today. Sabotage, triage care overlay embedded in your spleen through your heart chakra, causing discernment, elevation, distortion, mind control program overlay, hijacking of your heart center. Okay? So your body's ready to let that program go that's causing some issues and imbalances in your body. Lisa was talking about what do we do if immediate family is parasiting us. Try to get away. Give yourself breaks, use shields. Make sure you revoke all consents. And if you have a choice, you need to decide what you're going to do. It's very difficult. Some of your children may be parasites and they may be underage. And so what do you do in that situation? Reach out for help is what I would do. There are things that can be done to shift the spirit in the body or the vessel, because it's not like we can kick them out of the house. But when parasites get recycled back to source, that becomes an empty vessel. So you're attached to the vessel. All of your attachments and all of your loved ones, most of them are vessel attachments. You're attached to the costume. I'm going to have to take a break for a second here. And so those are all attached. I have a bunch of teenage boys today running wild. And they're being very loud. Okay. And so you're attached to this costume versus looking at what is inside of it. And a lot of you, if you are light beings, will have been surrounded in your life with all of your supposed loved ones who are parasites.